In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to your Wix website so you can link your Wix store with Printify and start setting up products for sale. To get started, log into your Printify account. Once you're on the Printify dashboard, look for the New Store drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your existing sales channels or connect a new one. Open that menu and select Add a New Store. You'll now see the available e-commerce platforms that Printify can connect with. Choose Wix from the list. Next, click Continue. Printify will ask you to enter a store name, so type in the name you want to use to identify this Wix store inside your Printify account. This helps keep things organized, especially if you connect more than one store later. Quick side note, for more straightforward Wix and Printify tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once your store name is entered, click Connect. You'll then be prompted to log into your Wix account. Sign in with the Wix account that owns the website you want to connect, and continue through the authorization prompts to allow Printify to link to your Wix store. And that's it. You've successfully started connecting Printify to your Wix website.